Howdy there, folks. Today we're going to take a look at this RETEVIS. That's R-E-T-E-V-I-S. This is the RM22 Marine two-way radio. Comes with a large manual right here. Really nice, high-quality, waterproof radio right here. Nice module. It's got your PTT button on the side. Rechargeable battery goes in the back. It's got your different, you can cycle select, scan, dual, high-low, channel, favorite, setting, volume, and your on-off button. Let's see, we're going to set this all together here. We got the charging stand, high-quality battery right here. This is an excellent, excellent radio, in my opinion, if you boat on a regular basis. Great to have on board. Has a locking back that's going to allow it to get in waterproof, excuse me. Got to turn that back. That just sits right in there. You got your clip, belt clip, lanyard, and antenna. We're going to go ahead and screw that antenna in the back here. Yes, very nice. Nice, easy to see screen right there. You can just cycle through those channels. It's got US channels. It's got a low channel. Very nice. Let's go ahead and hit. It's got dual scan. See it scanning right there. Really love the really large, easy to read display. Hold the power button down and it turns off. Really nice radios. I do like it. Was sent to me for review.